Motorola is all set to launch yet another stunning mid-budget smartphone. In just a few days, Motorola is going to unveil the Edge 65G under its Edge series, which will be the successor to the Edge 55G. The company has already teased some pictures of the phone on its official social media handles, giving us a sneak peek at its design and some of its exciting features. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of this amazing smartphone. So, let's start. Features of Moto Edge 65G. Display. The Motorola Edge 65G is expected to come with a 6.74-inch punch-hole display, featuring a 1.5K resolution. This 3D curved OLED panel will offer a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for gaming and multimedia. The display will also support 3000 nits peak brightness, and HDR10+ for stunning visuals. Additionally, you'll get an in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection. Camera setup. The Edge 65G is a photography powerhouse. It features a triple rear camera setup, with a 50-megapixel LYTIA main sensor, equipped with OIS, for crisp and stable shots. Alongside that, you'll get a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, for versatile shooting options. For selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, that's ready to capture your best angles. Processor. Under the hood, the Edge 65G is expected to run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm fabrication process. This ensures top-notch performance and efficiency. On the software front, it will run on the latest Android 15 out of the box, with 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security updates. Charging and battery. Powering this beast is a massive 5000 mAh battery, which supports 80-watt fast charging, so you can juice up in no time. It also comes with a Type-C Gen 2 charging port, for faster data transfer and charging. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price and launch date. The Motorola Edge 60 is expected to be priced around €300, making it a killer deal for the features it offers. As for the launch date, Motorola is likely to unveil this device very soon, so stay tuned.